In this question, it's given that we have an equation of a line and an equation of a curve, and these two are intersecting at 2 points. So the line and the curve intersect at 2 points. We are required to find the coordinates of these 2 points. So what you should remember here is that at the point of intersection, the coordinates will be the same. So note that at the point of intersection, um, the coordinates will be the same. So basically what you're going to do is to take this value of y, an expression for y, and replace it in place of y in the second equation. So basically the equation of the curve would look like this. X squared minus 3x, and in place of y we have 9 minus x plus 2, and then in place of y you have 9 minus x squared is equals to 0. Now what you have to remember is if you have 9 minus x squared, that is same as 9 minus x multiplied by 9 minus x, which will be equal to 81 minus 9x minus 9x plus x squared, which will be 81 minus 18x plus x squared. So if we expand this, we'll end up with x squared minus 27 if you just FOIL this. So that will be 27x plus 3x squared plus 2 into, and then I replace that with this, so 81 minus 18x plus x squared is equals to 0. And then I need to expand this, so x squared minus 27x plus 3x squared plus 162 minus 36x plus 2x squared is equals to 0. If you simplify this expression, you'll end up with 6x squared minus 63x. If you collect like terms, plus 162 is equals to 0. And then let's simplify this equation by dividing by 3 so that we can end up with a simpler equation. So 2x squared minus 21x plus 54 is equals to 0. So what I'm going to do next is to solve this equation using a quadratic formula. So x is equals to negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So if you plug in that, we shall end up with x will be equal to negative 21 plus minus square root of negative 21 squared minus 4a 2 and c 54 over 2 multiplied by a, which is 2. So x will be equal to 21 plus minus square root of 441 minus 432 over 4. And this is the same as 21 plus minus square root of 9 over 4. So basically x will be equal to 21 plus minus 3 over 4. So what that means is that either x is equals to 21 plus 3 over 4, or x is equals to 21 minus 3 over 4. And this will give us two values of x. So either x will be equal to 6, or here x will be equal to 4.5. Okay, so we have the x coordinates and we can work out the corresponding y coordinates. So at x is equals to 6, y will be equal to 9 minus 6, which is 3. So basically y will be equal to 3. And then at x is equals to 4.5, y will be equal to 9 minus 4.5, which is equal to 4.5. So y is equals to 4.5. So to write down the coordinates, we can just summarize that and say that when x is 6, y is 3, and when x is 4.5, y will be equal to 4.5. But basically, this is the solution to this problem.